Hello everybody, it's Johnny5. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a split feature in Shotcut. Shotcut is a video editing software that's free to use. I'll put the link in the description, how to get it and use it. So here's your main interface here. This is your video there. You just drag it and drop it to the screen here, and this comes up. So what I mean by the split feature is right here. It's called split at Playhead, or the shortcut is S. So when you find like a pause in your videos, when you find one for example, like down here on the bottom, where there's no voice at all, you just drag this to it, or click where you want it to. But next to, make sure your audio levels is not you talking at first, and just put it right there, hit S, and now split it. Now, that's not it. Now you drag it to the other side and S again, right click, remove, or delete. It's up to you. And that's really all it is. Quite simple how to remove sound and stuff you don't want. And over here, the same thing. Put it here, hit S, split it, and put it right here. Right click, remove. So that's really the split feature. It's quite easy. So if you've enjoyed this video, have any questions, put in the comments, and have a wonderful day. See ya.